Singer Abhijit, the voice of several Bollywood superstars in the 1990s, stands accused of molestation. A 34-year-old woman has made a complaint to the Mumbai police. This alleged molestation bid was caught on CCTV camera. There was a face-off at a Durga Puja Pandal in Mumbai. The woman lodged an FIR against Abhijit at the Oshiwada police station. The incident occurred at Lokhandwala Durga Puja Pandal, of which Abhijit is one of the organizers. The victim, who is an Andheri resident, had visited the Pandal to watch singer Kailash Kher's performance. The victim, in a complaint to the police, alleged while she was watching the performance, Abhijit touched her inappropriately. When she objected to his behavior, the singer reportedly lashed out at her publicly, asked her to leave the Pandal. She has further alleged that she was threatened before she was thrown out by volunteers. The police have registered an FIR against Abhijit under section 354, which is molestation, 506 and 34 of the Indian Penal Code.
He was very abusive. Only mother and father को लेके वो openly गाली दे रही थी वहाँ पे. That is the only that. फिर उसको उठा के बाहर कर दी गया. She never went to the police station. Police took her to the police station.
We called the cops.
We called the cops. हमारे यहाँ पे हैं ही थे लेडीज कॉप, और वो लेडीज कॉप को धक्का दिया. अभी कौन जाके बोलेगा कि मैंने ये किया. कितनी बड़ी बेवकूफ़ी है, कितनी बड़ी बदमाशी है ये इस तरह से कहना, जहाँ पे मेरी पूरी फैमिली, मेरा ससुराल, मेरी दुर्गा पूजा के हजारों लोग वहाँ पे बैठे हैं, सब दर्शन कर रहे हैं, आरती चल रहा है, प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, और किसी पर इस तरह से इल्जाम लगाना आसमान पे सूरज को छूने के बराबर हो गया. टारगेटिंग मी टू गेट द पब्लिसिटी.
So you heard singer Abhijit there. He says he's being targeted because the woman is looking for publicity. Let's listen in to the lady. She spoke to my colleague Mustafa Sheikh.
With us right now we have a businesswoman who has filed a complaint against singer Abhijit for sexual harassment. Ma'am, can you in brief tell us what was the incident?
I was invited to this Durga Puja that happens in Lokhandwala every year by my family relative called Abhijit Chattopadhyay and his wife Gargi Chattopadhyay, who came to my house and invited me over. My mother, we are so-called relatives, so we go every year and do our puja, whatever. Bhog dena, Anjali, all of that. And so yeah, we were there. On Thursday I was there 2 times already. I went in the evening because that's what we do. I went to grab a snack and I realized that my friends Paresh, Kamath, they play with Kailash Kher. So Kailash Kher was performing. He's married to a very good friend of mine from Delhi, Priyanka Bose. So I went to say hi because Priyanka, her daughter, her husband were there, which I found out. And I said, oh, they're there. I got a pass from their, whoever volunteers. Went inside. Literally within 5 minutes of me entering that space, I was standing and talking to Priyanka and her daughter, 6-year-old daughter was sitting. And this singer, whatever, Abhijit, whoever he is, comes behind me. I'm wearing a sari. He grabs my presses it, strokes my back. When I flinch, he abuses me, calls me a prostitute, and tells me why am I standing and distracting people like I'm a... And when I said, what do you mean? And who are you?
So the thing he said that you were standing in between and the audience were behind.
So first he comes behind me, breathes into my ears, strokes my back, grabs 3 times, and then says, so when I did like this, I said, who are you? What are you doing? मतलब आप क्या कर रहे हैं भाई साहब? तो he said, अरे no, you are very distracting. ऐसे गंदे वाले बंगाली ना, अंग्रेजी भी नहीं आती. You are very distracting. You are distracting my audience. मैंने कहा मैं कोने में खड़े होके अपनी दोस्त और उसकी बेटी और उसका पति वहाँ पे गाना गा रहा है कैलाश खेर के साथ, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I'm thinking all this, and I just said, who are you? To which he said, he called me a prostitute in Hindi, and behan ma beep beep beep, and told me to get out.
How was the behavior of the people who were there when this incident came to life, who came to in support of?
It took me 2 seconds to understand what is going on. I told Priyanka, watch my bags, and I followed him, and I said, who the is he? He just touched me. So his volunteers and all these random people came. Few of them said sorry. He got very aggressive and told everyone, if anyone goes near this prostitute, I will have you fired. निकाल दिया उनको. So एक छोटी सी कोई security वाली मेरे हाथ पकड़ के बोल रही, मैम I'm sorry. I'm like, why are you sorry? He touched me. So I was called mentally deranged, psychologically disturbed. मैंने कहा बहुत अच्छा. और बोलो. फिर उसकी बहन आई, बहन ने मुझे गाली दी. तो 1500 लोगों के बीच उसकी सिक्योरिटी ने मुझे उठा के मुझे मोलेस्ट करने के बाद निकाल दिया.
So then you approached the police. How much
Then
time?
I messaged Mr. Rakesh Maria, the commissioner, because that's what I have to do every year, and he runs the show. I always think it's better to go to the boss, and then I didn't even realize he's the home guard or whatever. So then it was exhausting. Then thankfully my friends were there, and then.
How many hours did it take to register the FIR?
I don't know. All I know is in 40 hours I didn't go home. I was out.
It took 40 hours for you to complete the
No,
procedure.
I mean the whole thing, 45 minutes, standing on the road, people trying to figure out, me sitting and crying, like, because obviously I don't want my touched by some decrepit.
Did any witness come forward about
No. Oh yeah. So on my way out, some girl or two girls, they said, oh my God, Abhijit touched you. He touched us also, yeah. Before I could even.
You were taken out of
I
the
was
venue?
thrown out. I was not taken out, I was thrown out by the cops. Some lady cop in a sari who's pushing me.
What do you want after registering a complaint? How would you want to follow up this case?
I want him locked up. Locked up. Whatever you guys do to rapists, molesters, whatever. What do? How will you proceed with this? Tell me.
The law should take its course. I mean, police should take some action.
No, then I got a call from the Oshiwara police station saying, Madam, आप ना थोड़ा witnesses के साथ आइए. मैंने कहा अच्छा. मैं ना आप मेरे लिए एक वर्दी रख दो. मैं आके आपका investigation भी कर देती हूँ. That's also my job. I get molested, I get thrown out, I report the crime, I offer the witnesses, I present my case, and then let's see. Maybe Nirbhaya Part 5 might happen.
So were you told by the police that this was...
No, yeah, Bombay cops, in all honesty, are very nice. They're really good people. They took my FIR, they took the time. It's just that the law and the system has its own pace. I mean, we know the Arushis and the Jessica Lals and everything of the world. It's for us to see. It's going to take its time. I got the FIR report. They were very sweet to me. The Bombay cops are really good. Rakesh Maria, one of the best commissioner of police. Like personal interaction. Hats off to them. Thanks to them, we Delhi women feel safe working in Bombay. Thank you. I can sit in a cop station in Bombay and chat with them, drink chai with them, and they understand me. So I asked them the same question. I said, अब क्या होगा? आप क्या करोगे अब? They said, FIR है ना, करेंगे. मैंने कहा वो भाग गया तो? They said, कौन है वो?
They didn't knew who's the accused?
They said, अभिजीत कौन है? कहाँ भागेगा? Chill कर.
So she's a complainant in the case who has filed the complaint saying that nobody at the venue supported her. The police has registered a complaint and she wants legal action, whatever possible way should be taken against Abhijit. With camera person Vaibhav Kangutkar, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Mustafa Sheikh now joins me with the latest on investigations in this case. Mustafa, after this police complaint was filed, police have initiated investigations. What more can you share with us?
See, at this point of time, the CCTV footage of the venue is in public domain. Now, the Oshiwara police station has called a few people who basically were present at that point of time when the incident took place. They have been called there as eyewitnesses. So maybe there are some people who may be taking Abhijit's side. There are some people who may take the complainant's side. But there is no clarity at this point of time as to how did the incident take place, because Abhijit on his part is saying just he tapped her just because she was standing in the middle and there was a show going on and the audience were disturbed, whereas this lady has insisted that she was in a corner behind loudspeakers. There was no chance of anybody getting disturbed and it was a molestation which happened to her, and that's why she very clearly argued with the the singer and the security guards at the venue, and then later went on to complain. So now the police will record the statements, analyze the CCTV footage. If they have that CCTV footage of the specific spot where the incident has taken place, that will give them more clarity. It's a non-bailable section, outraging modesty of a woman. So he can be arrested. It will be only in future course how the investigation unturns, and then only there will be further action taken by the police against this singer.
Okay. Now, as far as singer Abhijit is concerned, he's saying that there were eyewitnesses there, and according to him, this is a publicity stunt. That is what he's claiming. As far as eyewitnesses are concerned, have the police been able to speak to some of them? What are they saying?
See, basically, at this point of time, as we speak, the statements are being recorded. There are eyewitnesses who are present at the Oshiwara police station. They are giving their statements. So what they have told the police is not clear at this point of time. But definitely, they have the police has registered an FIR and they are investigating the complaint. Only during the course of investigation, later it will be clear whether his intentions were to molest her or whether genuinely he was trying to take her to a side, because he is also making allegations that this woman didn't have pass to enter the show which was going on. So there are many things at this point of time, but with time, as the police gets clarity, there will be more clarity on this issue, whether what actually the incident took place. Abhijit on his part is alleging that this is being done for publicity stunt, but the woman on the other hand is saying that she had nothing to do with the concert. She was invited there, and then she came to know there was some acquaintance of hers sitting in the show, so she went there to meet her and her 6-year-old daughter. That's all.
Mustafa Sheikh, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.